we. Yes, sir, man. We got the frame looking good. They covered up all the things like I asked too, because everything was messed up with the threads on the last one. Yes, sir, man. We got it going, looking amazing. Look at that right there, man. Let me zoom in for y'all. Yes, sir. We done whipped that joint out. Yes, sir, man. We got the fresh one with the old one, so I can see. The new one's going right up on there, man. Take some of the covers off for the engine and get some of them powder coated. I want to do it orange, but I'm honestly probably not. I'm gonna probably just do like a fresh black, but then I was thinking even getting a silver. So we gonna see, man, because it's a lot to be done. I would like to have it silver with like orange washers. That'd be dope. I could. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it today. We about to get some work in. We got a lot going on, and I got to update y'all with a lot of different things because there's so much just everywhere, all over the place. So first thing first, man, we still got the silver bullet going. It's almost sold out. We got it live, going away right now. I'm about to give away the 2015 truck paired together with the 2019 Roadglide. So make sure y'all get in to win that in the description below by copying you one of 3 keychains: a SLIDN keychain, a BUILTBYDRE keychain, and a SLIDN and HIDN keychain. Also a BUILTBYDRE hat. Either one of those 4 products is going to enter you into the silver bullet giveaway. We only got so many spots left. The last time I checked, we had about 70 spots left. So get in and with it while y'all can. We got a few people that's left that have not got in to win it, and I understand why, because the bike isn't fully complete yet. So today's objective is I'm trying to get to this dyno shop, but these guys are not answering. I really hate that because it's so far of a drive. I don't want to drive out there for no reason to come all the way back and still have a bike on the back of my truck. So I'm trying to get that settled in to see before I leave so I can know I can load up the bike or not. Y'all don't even understand. I haven't even been in the silver bullet trying to get it ready for one of y'all lucky winners, man. For everybody who entered to win this joint. We was driving in a work, excuse me. We was driving a work truck yesterday and literally caught a flat tire. This is a flat, this is my spare. And it's so crazy, my spare don't sit under there like it used to. And something told me yesterday when I headed out, I'm like, let me grab the spare tire. And what do you know? Caught a flat tire. On top of that, that's not even the only problem. I wonder what the hell. I'm not gonna lie to you, I thought somebody tried to steal my truck for a moment, because man, I know they popular for stealing these, but yesterday I had messed up my door panel, so I was trying to fix it and it kind of threw off the whole unlocking process with the key. Because I'm like, why is my key not working? But that was crazy. But yeah, man, yesterday we broke a belt tensioner on this truck. As I got off the freeway home, my belt was literally screeching. I'll show y'all. Look at that right there, man. Let me zoom in for y'all. Yes, sir, we done whipped that joint out. So, I'm about to go ahead and fix it. So, this is the old tensioner right here with the old belt. We just got the new belt with the new tensioner. I could have left the belt, but I want everything new so I don't got to worry about it breaking down on the freeway. Yes, sir, man, we got the fresh one with the old one. So I can see. The new one's going right up on there, man. Yes, sir. Things just never seem to work out the way they should. The belt is not long enough. Like I told the guy, it was 1 out of 2. I'm like, I don't think that was long enough when we pulled it side by side. He was like, no, let's try it out. I was right. It's the old one. We got the new one on there with the original belt. I'm gonna go take that belt back and get the other one, but this one still works for now. And it's looking good, man. Got that new tensioner. I need all this to be fresh. But once we get these Camaros and all these other cars going, we're gonna pull this thing on and get this thing freshened up too. So stay tuned for that. Man, got that new one back on there. Well, ain't nothing better. They done got it powder. Yo! Oh yeah. They done got it looking good. That's crazy. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir, man. We got the frame looking good. They covered up all the things like I asked too, because everything was messed up with the threads on the last one. Yes, sir, man. We got it going, looking amazing, y'all. I am loving it, man. Got the swing arm. That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. Now that we finally got the frame back from the powder coat, juiced up, looking good, I am so happy and blown away. I'm about to head to the bank, grab this cash, because I don't keep it on me, and I'm about to go back, get the frame, and we about to head back to the house after we get some more stuff done. But stay tuned, man. I'm super amped up and excited now. Like I was saying, the whole giveaway is thrown off right now because the frame and the powder coat is taking a minute. The motor's still coming. The rims separated. Everything was all over the place. But now I feel way more better because I see progress is finally being done on everything. So right now, we're about to go get this, pick that up, go to the rim guy, see if he there, pull up on him, and then we're about to be on the way, y'all. I'm telling y'all, get in to win for the silver bullet while you can, because it's about to be over with, and I'm dead ass about to get this thing ended for sure before this month is up. So get in to win it while you can, man, because we only a matter of time left, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Pulling back up to the powder coat shop. The only problem is I got damn near no space with these shoes and this wraparound fender in the back, but I got somebody about to purchase a fender in like the next 20 minutes. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that outside in the back of the bed and then put the frame actually inside, because I don't want nothing to happen to that powder coat, y'all. They got it looking good. It's so crazy, I'm telling y'all. I was really gonna go purple with that bike I sold. That's gonna be the next color. They got it looking good, man. Yes, sir, man. I'm telling y'all, you looking at this video, we literally got less than about 60 spots left, y'all. I just checked right now. Less than 60 spots, man. Get in to win it. This could be yours with the truck, man. I'm telling y'all, we're coming with it. What's going on, man? It look good. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. I needed this back for the swing arm. This look good. Box back there. We fully loaded, huh, Ace? Yeah. Yes, sir, man. We got the frame loaded up, looking good. I can't wait. And y'all don't even know how happy I am. Like, I swear to y'all, we really got the whole frame finally up in this joint. See, the thing is, man, I'm telling you, I be working so hard, and sometimes it don't matter about how hard you work with your results. And it may sound crazy, but it's like, sometimes it's about doing the right thing, not just doing stuff to do stuff. So it's like, I know for a fact without this frame, I'm damn near can't do nothing. So now we got the frame. I'm about to try to get the fresh bolts with some color washers on this joint, assemble the transmission, wait on the motor to come, and then it's up, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we about to go up and make it happen. We got the rims on the way and everything else. So it's only a matter of time before everything work out the way it do. It just seems super crazy all over the place right now because everything is everywhere. But like I said, man, just wait till like the end of this week and we gonna have it coming. Yeah, I swear, people in LA really drive crazy. I'm gonna get off this phone though, man, because it's raining and whatnot, but we sliding, making progress, man. Y'all see what's going on. I'm happy as hell right now, I swear to y'all. And we gotta get this tire fixed. Had the flat. They the best people. Woo. Yeah, you okay? Roll the window up. Roll it up. 50, right? Yeah. Okay. What? Lay it out. Want me to roll it out the back? I think that shit dry rotted. Cause I had a random flat tire with no nothing happened. It was parked. Yeah. But I know I want to really buy more for all of them, but I got a brand new set of rims I got to put on here. So I gotta really find like some off-road tires. Crazy how this truck came so far from Copart. It's nuts. I can't wait to get my off-roading tires on here because these shits is ugly. But we gotta get that paint and a few other things before we do that. And we still waiting. But I learned yesterday when I got that flat, man, we gotta have everything the way it needs to be no matter how long it takes. Nobody about to come save us, so I gotta make sure I'm sure at the end of the day, man, for real, that's way better. Woo-wee! We on. Now I can get my $1 million. Finally making a lot of progress on everything. We got our frame, we got our tire fixed, we got the truck back rolling. We got to keep everything on the road. So now I'm about to go ahead and get some gas and head back on the freeway to the house, man, so we can get this bike assembled and ready for one of y'all with the silver bullet, man. So make sure y'all get in and win it while y'all can, man, because I'm telling y'all, this is literally about to be the last month for sure. But get in to win it while y'all can, man. So we gotta move these joints. I had him ready for the dyno, still couldn't do it today. We're gonna aim again for tomorrow. Gotta pull one of these joints out so we can get these things lined back up. I had this in here because it was raining. But it's game time, man. I'm excited. I'm telling y'all. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got the car out. We got the garage cleared up. This is what I'm talking about, man. And I'm telling y'all, life been crazy. I'm telling y'all for real. But it's good. It's nothing we cannot handle, man. You got to keep rolling, keep your foot on the gas, and keep striving for greatness. So with that being said, I promise y'all, I'm trying to literally, I told him for sure earlier this morning, I'm like, bro, I'm trying to be out there by Friday the latest. So we about to deliver this to the Bay Area. Oh, not the Bay. I'm sorry, because y'all going to get on my head. Sacramento is not the Bay. We're about to head to Sacramento and deliver this to the winner so we can hopefully get this over with Friday with the hopes of selling out, going live hopefully this weekend, Saturday. So I'm going to try to hopefully make them two happen. Cross my fingers, hope for the best. But like I said, we finally got the frame in the truck, so we're about to load it back in here. We got the rest of the powder coated parts and everything else over there. So stay tuned, man. I'm telling y'all, we're making it happen literally. See, I done forgot 2 of the lights, man. Tripping. Yes, sir, man. We got it going, y'all. Lie to y'all, the way this is looking, I may re-powder coat some things, and I don't say that to say I'm re-powder coating them because the condition they in, more so just like I like how, I don't know, I'm not sure, y'all, I could be wrong. I'm just visioning everything right now, looking at it. So like with the 2015, we got red frame, black parts, red paint. On here we got the orange frame. We'll have the orange support there on top of the orange with the silver. So I might black those bars out, but we're gonna see what y'all think. We got the orange frame, we got the orange support and all that stuff over there, which some of it I wish was black, but we still got some powder coated black parts. The crash bar and the bars will be black, so understand that. So right now it's just about getting the vision, but like I said, we about to have all this coming and going, man. I'm about to really try to get him to the dyno tomorrow. I literally called this dude today like 10 times, so I can't force nobody to answer their phone at this point. This joint, I'm about to try to get the rest of that done tomorrow too. I got the brake line on there, successfully finished, and it takes so much time to do, but it's definitely worth it at the end of the day when you got these bikes on your hands. So we got to get this one going with the clutch line and get ignition from Harley. I got everything else besides that. We just waiting on this motor to arrive. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna start assembling this because I can put it back together how it just was with the rear sway bar. I mean, the rear swing arm with the transmission, everything on there, or I can just wait, assemble it with the transmission and bolt it all together, then assemble it, because now I think I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the covers off for the engine and get some of them powder coated. I want to do it orange, but I'm honestly probably not. I'm gonna probably just do like a fresh black, but then I was thinking even getting a silver. So we gonna see, man, because it's a lot to be done. I would like to have it silver with like orange washers. That'd be dope. I could do it orange too. We gonna see though. I just don't want to overdo it. I like to balance it out just enough and perfect, man. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. So please make sure y'all get in to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, man. Y'all see what's going on. We finally got the frame back in the garage in this joint. I can't wait, man. Like I said earlier, everything been all over the place, but I'm telling y'all, we focus, we own it. We got to keep striving and getting it done, man, because I'm telling y'all, we so close to selling out. Man, I'm trying to get a truck away to y'all with the bike, but we got to get what we need at the end of the day, man. So that's all it takes is the consistency to keep grinding and working. But like I said, we getting it in every day, making progress. I swear to y'all, when I walked to that powder coat shop today, I just knew the frame was not going to be done. She was like, oh, we finished it. You dropped it off Thursday. It was done Friday. I'm like, I've been calling every day. Why wouldn't you answer? Like, I don't live around the corner. I live hours away. So it's like, it's the communication at the end of the day. But things happen. You got to keep going and keep it going on the road, man, and keep your foot on the gas and don't let nobody throw you off. So that's what we doing. That's what we going for. And that's how we coming. So please get in to win to that Silver Bullet, man. We're going to be selling out real soon, going live hopefully this Saturday. So stay tuned for that, man. I cannot wait. We are almost sold out. I'm telling y'all. Almost there, man. But see y'all in a minute, man. We sliding, not hiding, y'all.